Welcome to our exciting comparison between two of the most talked about action cameras on the market today, the GoPro HERO13 Black and the DJI Osmo Nano. In this video, we will dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value for vlogging and action photography. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting your vlogging journey, this showdown will help you decide which camera suits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to resolution, the GoPro HERO13 Black takes the lead with its impressive 5.3K video capability, providing stunning detail and clarity that is perfect for professional use. In contrast, the DJI Osmo Nano offers a solid 4K resolution, which is still excellent for most vlogging needs, but lacks the sharpness and cropping flexibility of the GoPro. If high-resolution footage is your priority, the HERO13 Black is the clear winner. Stabilization is crucial for action shots, and here the GoPro HERO13 Black shines with its Hypersmooth 6.0 technology, providing industry-leading stabilization that keeps your footage smooth, even in the most intense situations. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Nano utilizes digital stabilization, which works well for casual vlogging, but may struggle during high-action scenarios. For those who prioritize stability in their footage, the GoPro is the superior choice. When it comes to portability, the DJI Osmo Nano is designed for convenience. Its ultra-compact size and innovative magnetic mounting system allow for easy, hands-free POV shooting, making it perfect for daily vloggers and travelers. In contrast, while the GoPro HERO13 Black is slightly bulkier and uses standard mounts, it still offers great durability and versatility. If you need a camera that you can quickly grab and go, the Osmo Nano is the way to go. In conclusion, both the GoPro HERO13 Black and the DJI Osmo Nano have their unique strengths and cater to different types of users. The HERO13 Black is ideal for those seeking the highest resolution and best stabilization for extreme action, while the Osmo Nano is perfect for vloggers looking for portability and ease of use. Whichever you choose, both cameras are excellent options for capturing your adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.